Today, we're gonna make some smash burgers using the soapstone on the hanging tripod over the Kadai Fire Bowl. We're gonna make a delicious dirty onion relish, and then we're gonna steam everything under the Kadai cloche. Let's get right on it. Okay, so the soapstone is a natural product and it gets extremely hot and is a super non-stick surface for cooking something like this. We're looking to develop a crust when we cook these burgers on here, so it's the absolute perfect thing to use. The crack that's appeared here is completely normal, so if this happens with yours, do not worry. It very, very rarely will crack all the way through. It's just something that happens, do not worry about it. What we're going to do, whilst that's getting hot, we're just going to take some red onions and we're literally just going to throw them into the fire underneath whilst the soapstone gets warm until they're nice and gnarly and black and all gooey in the middle. Okay, right, so the secret to a good burger is the mince. I've got this delicious 35% fat. Now that might sound like a lot of fat, but it's going to make sure that the burger is super juicy. Loads of it's going to render away when it cooks and it's going to leave the most amazing flavour. So all you need to do is take your mince and just roughly divide it up into 8 pieces. Take each piece and just mould it into a rough ball. Okay, so these onions have been in the fire for some time now and they might look absolutely like there's like the charcoal really, but inside there, I promise you, is the most amazing, awesome caramelized onion, and we're going to turn that into the most beautiful relish you've ever tasted in your life. I'm going to hit them with a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of salt. And then just going to chop them up really loosely on the board. Going to add in a little bit of balsamic vinegar for some acidity. And I'm just going to keep scraping that up. And there we have the most delicious instant balsamic onion relish, dirty onion relish at that. We call it dirty onions because you do get the odd black bit in there, but who cares? This is barbecue. Okay, so next, the soapstone's super hot now. We're just going to get this streaky, smoky bacon cooked. You hear that sizzle as soon as it hits. That is a really, really hot surface. Want to make sure all that fat renders, get nice crispy bacon on your burger. Right, we're just going to drop on this little side tray. Okay, perfect, because we're going to need somewhere to load the burgers onto. Next up, we're going to just toast off our buns. They literally will take seconds. By the time you put 4 down, the first one you put down will be ready to come back off again. Okay, so buns are toasted. Just going to take our dirty onion balsamic relish, spread that evenly. Pickles, mustard. Okay, then on goes mince. Season, and then use the paddle to smash it down. Okay, then get underneath. That's the crust we're looking for right there. Look at that, beautiful. Season the other side, and then a final smash in. A couple of slices of that bacon on each. Double American cheese. This is the only use for plastic cheese on earth, but you've got to use plastic cheese on burgers. Here's the clever bit, buns go on top. And this is an excuse now to crack a beer. We're going to create some steam and steam all of those buns and patties together. And obviously have a little swig. been under there for about 2 minutes. I reckon they're going to be done. Oh, look at those. Super soft, and get that gorgeous glisten on the top. There you go, 10-minute smash burgers with dirty onion, balsamic relish, double cheese, double bacon, brioche buns, steamed with beer. Get on it, it's amazing. There was no better way to cook a burger than that.